Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a profile picture on Facebook using your page's cover photo with the latest update, right from your PC. If you want your profile to stand out and keep your branding consistent, this quick method is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. At the top of the Facebook homepage, you'll see your current profile photo. Click on it to go straight to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for your cover photo. This is the large banner image at the top of your page. Hover your mouse over the cover photo and click on it to enter the full view. Below your cover photo, you'll notice 3 dots lined up horizontally. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu of options. From this menu, select Make Profile Picture. This feature allows you to instantly use your cover photo as your new profile picture, keeping your pages look unified and professional. After selecting Make Profile Picture, Facebook will open an editing window. Here, you can adjust the cropping, zoom in or out, and reposition the image so your new profile photo looks just right. Take your time to make sure your face or logo is centered and clear. Once you're happy with how it looks, click the Save button. That's it. Your profile picture is now updated, using your page's cover photo. This is a great way to maintain a cohesive look across your Facebook page, especially for businesses or personal brands. Remember, your profile picture is the first thing people see, so choosing a high-quality image is key. If you want your cover photo to look great as a profile picture, make sure it's sharp and well lit. For best results, Facebook recommends using images that are at least 320 by 320 pixels for your profile photo, and 820 by 360 pixels for your cover photo. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips.